We like your equipment.
Ano ba yung pakiramdam, Tresor?
Do you feel me?
Dude! Remplas, we're crazy.
Hello mga boss! Hello YouTube! Nandito na naman tayo ngayon, si Tara Boss, dahil may papanoorin na naman tayong exploration mga boss. Familiar ba kayo mga boss sa Teachers Camp dyan sa Baguio? Dahil mga boss, ito yung papanoorin natin ngayon, yung exploration dito. Yung video nga pala na to mga boss, na papanoorin natin ngayon ay galing kay Sir Caro Vlogs. Tara mga boss, wag na natin itong patagalin. Let's go!
Today we're going to investigate and spend an overnight sa pinaka-haunted na camp sa buong Pilipinas. Ang Teachers Camp.
Dude, the Rempod! The Rempod! What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck, guys?
Paano ko namatay?
We like your equipment.
Ano ba yung pakiramdam, Tresor?
Do you feel me?
Dude! Remplas, we're crazy.
This place was established on December 11, 1907 para maging training center, events venue at recreational area para sa mga guro. April 6, 1908 nang ganap na buksan ng Teachers Camp. Naganap ang first Teachers Vacation Assembly hanggang May 30, 1908. At sa mga panahon na to, tent lang ang gamit nila. Year 1911 to 1912, dito na nagawa ang unang building sa Teachers Camp at inumpisahan na rin i-develop ang lugar. June 15, 1936, panandali ang lumipat ang PMA sa Teachers Camp dahil sa malakihang pag-increase ng mga kadete nila at sila ay nanatili dito hanggang 1941. After a year, World War II happened. Sinakop tayo ng mga Japanese at sa kasamaang palad, buong bayan ay apektado. Pero may isang hindi napuruhan at ito ang simbahan. After what happened, 1947, nirenovate nila ang Teachers Camp. Pero kahit bagong renovate na, pumutok naman ang issue na may mga kababalaghan daw na nangyayari dito. Ghost sightings, mga naririnig ng mga boss na umiiyak at iba't ibang mga kwento. Dahil dyan, paranormal investigators from US tried to investigate about this issue. Even other vloggers sinasabing meron daw talaga. Kaya napaisip ako, totoo bang haunted o gawa-gawa lang? From Manila, umakyat kami ng Baguio to investigate.
Dito na tayo.
Umikot kami sa loob para makita face to face kung ano ba talagang itsura dito. At dito namin nakita yung mga dating lumang mga cabin.
Dito na kami sa Teachers Camp. Dito usually, check-in yung iba kasi operating pa rin naman. Pero ito, abandoned nito. Whoa.
Pero dahil working pa rin ang lugar na to, meron ring mga bagong cabin. Katunayan nga dyan, maganda sila. Nag-check-in na rin kami dito. Nag-book kami ng cabin, dito kami mag-i-investigate at dito na rin kami matutulog.
Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa loob ng isa sa mga bahay dito sa Teachers Camp. Right here, meron silang sofa. Grabe sofa mga old na. No? Right here, dining table, kitchen. Luluto kayo. And probably refrigerators. And dito guys, merong 3 room. Pero mamaya natin tayo yan. Ito guys,
Ayos pa din pala.
CR. So, yung natin, pre. Ayan. No? Pero ayan, kung nag-check-in naman kayo dito, meron pa rin heater. Right here, kwarto ni Steve. I don't wanna show you guys his room, pero... So right here, here's my room. So, talaga ko ng mga gamit-gamit ko. Teachers Camp. Teachers Camp. So, check-in kami dito. Dito, yung room ni Alpha. So, right here, merong rosaryo. Alpha, rosaryo mo ba ito?
Hindi ako naglalagay.
Hindi siya yan. So, yung switch niya, luma na din. Uy, mga salamin. So, ayaw ko ng salamin sa kwarto. Natakot ako pag may salamin. So, ayan guys. Dito tayo mag-i-investigate and I'm excited. Let's go.
Nilabas ko na lahat ng gagamitin namin. Sinet up na rin namin yung mga anggulo ng camera at yung mga posisyon ng ghost equipments.
Naayos na namin ngayon yung mga gagamitin namin for this investigation. Ghost box, spirit box, EMF, so motion balls, motion detector. So, and this one, REM pod. Kung may dumikit na sa kanya na malapit, tutunog siya. And of course, this night vision camera kasi mamaya yung film namin all dark.
Kaya pumasok na kaming lahat ng kwarto.
Okay guys, so at the moment nandito na kami ngayon sa room. So lahat ng angle may camera. So may camera dito, camera dito para sa dalawang room doon.
Pero nag-i-explain pa lang ako ay may nangyari na agad.
Camera doon para makuhanan kung makuhanan kung
Akala ko ako yung na-detect, pero nagulat ako nang yung isang music box pala yung tumunog. Kaya
So,
nagsimula na kami.
Alright. We're good now.
Ano lang yun guys, intro lang yun.
Let's do this. We're here today
Intro daw muna guys yung multo guys.
to document this place, and we come here to be very respectful. We only want to communicate with you guys. If there's any spirits, feel free to come sit down next to us and communicate with these devices.
No, I won't.
What? Dude, I asked if you can sit down with us.
Yep.
If you would like to
Yep.
sit down with us. It just said her voice, and no, I won't. It must be a female spirit. Oh, yo, music box just went off.
So they understand English.
Oh yeah, they understand English. Now this place.
Yeah, I think they're walking. Ilan kayo dito? How many of you guys are here? You can sit here, you can touch this device. Pwede mo hawakan to. Pwede kang upo sa tabi ko, pwede kang upo dyan.
Yep, you can use these devices to let us know that you're here with us.
Are you here with us?
Tumunog yung music box. Ibig sabihin meron siya na-detect na naglalakad sa harapan niya.
After you said that.
This is helping me.
This is helping.
Tutulungan ka namin, pagdarasal ka namin. How did you die? Paano ka namatay?
Hindi ko alam pero every time na nagtatanong ako ay tumutunog naman yung music box.
Pwede kang magsalita
Talaga
sa
pag
spirit
nagtatanong
talker para makapag-usap tayo ng maayos.
Doll's whisper.
Dolls?
Like, dude! What? What do you think?
Witch. Because a witch uses dolls, right?
Yeah,
And Philippines has so many
bro. So like voodoo
story of voodoo,
Yeah.
witches. Anong meron sa mga manika?
Do you like dolls?
Lahat ng gadgets namin ay responsive. Ibig sabihin nandito talaga sila.
Bro, my EMF meter just went off.
Jones.
Yo, that's going off so young. What the heck?
Yo!
That's crazy. Dude, that was the longest ever. Dude, is there another spirit here named Johns?
Halos wala pang ilang segundo guys laging tumutunog pag nagtatanong sila. Parang ano talaga, totoo talaga to.
Jones, maybe? Sounds like an American name.
Jones. Maybe
Jones?
is from the American War, bro.
Yeah.
It's an American name.
Yeah. Are there more than one spirit here?
May iba pa ba kaming kasamang espiritu rito?
If there's more than one spirit here, can you make this device go to yellow? Dude, no! That's nuts. So it could be a guy and a girl.
We can knock.
We can knock.
We can knock. So it's we. It's more than one.
Yeah, it's just
Marami sila.
confirms more than one. Can you make a knock?
Can you make a sound? Pwede ka ba kumatok?
At maya-maya lang parang may naglalakad sa kisame namin.
It's a knock. There's a knock. Dude, person. Dude. The knocks happen. Dude.
Guys, pakinggan nyo guys, parang mabigat yung yung parang mga yabag. Pero bakit sa kisame? Bakit sa kisame guys? Pakinggan nyo.
Can you make a knock?
Can you make a sound? Pwede ka ba kumatok?
At maya-maya lang parang may naglalakad sa kisame namin.
There's a knock. There's a knock. Dude, person. Dude. The knocks happen. Dude.
Parang ang bigat guys. Parang ang bigat ng mga yabag.
Xbox.
Can you hear it? Dude,
Grabe.
it's on the ceiling, bro.
Dude, how's that possible?
It's impossible that it's a rat, bro.
That's too loud to be a rat.
If that's a yes, can you make our EMF Yellow?
We like your equipment.
Like,
No way! No way!
Oh, wait.
No way!
Everything is going off, and I think this is the most activity we've had with our equipment so
And
far.
it's so accurate, bro.
Yeah, super accurate.
They're playing with our equipment.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah? You can touch it?
Oh, dude, dude! Our EMF readers went off at the same time. Really? Yeah.
Yo!
And then the music box.
Oh my gosh.
This is crazy, bro.
This is the craziest activity I've ever seen.
Okay, ask more. Why are you still here?
Yes, we're here.
Yes, we're
Dude, you just...
What the heck?
Parang
You want to
tugma yung
understand how you
sagot
died.
lagi ah.
Are you killed?
If it's from war, can you make it yellow? Oh my gosh.
Oh my
The
God.
forest is home.
The forest is home. And we're
This
in a
is
forest.
the forest, bro.
Are there any evil spirits here or good spirits?
May mga masasama ba ditong espiritu or mga mabuting espiritu lang?
Forgive my sins.
Bro, we just said, how can we help you? Now just said, forgive my sins.
Ipagdarasal ka namin.
Bakit guys parang ano laging tugma yung sagot ng ano ba yung gamit nila diyan yung ano? Anong app kaya yung gamit nila diyan guys? Kasi cellphone yan eh. Baka yung Ghost Tube guys yung gamit nila. Pero bakit parang laging ano accurate yung sagot ng ano Ghost Tube sa mga tinatanong nila? Sa tingin niyo guys, legit kaya to guys? Tara patuloy tayo.
Hello? Diyan pa ba kayo? Are you still there?
Tunnel.
Dude,
This is tunnel right
there's
here.
more tunnels, guys, that the Japanese soldiers created, right?
It's just beside, bro. Guys, Baguio Japanese tunnel. Andito lang sa gilid, sa Botanical Garden. It was located in Botanical Garden. It's next to Teachers Camp. Katabi lang guys ng Teachers Camp yung Botanical and nandun yung tunnel.
At sa kalagitnaan ng investigation namin, biglang may kumatok.
Uy! Happy 1 million subs.
Holy shit,
What the fuck, dude?
Salamat ah.
Hindi pwedeng wala ko pa rin.
Okay guys, so just a quick break. Si Adam dumating galing Manila. Pero tinakot mo kami tol. Akala namin, multo na yung kumatok. Talaga.
Iwan nyo kasi ikaw eh.
Saan saan kasi nagpupunta eh?
Tara, let's continue what you're doing. And let's...
What? What? Can you see us?
Can you see us?
Kanina pa ba kayo dito? Grabe pre. Iba yung pakiramdam pre, sir. Ang bigat na ng ulo ko ngayon agad. Talaga. Kanina naramdaman nyo na ba yun? Hindi ko. Ito actually ako.
Dude, the rampart!
Pagsisimula pa lang kami ng Urempan, hindi tumitigil sa pag-ilaw.
Dude, it's not!
Ibig sabihin ng ganyan tunog ay may humahawak sa kanya.
Bigat na ng ulo ko pre. Umpisa pa lang tol.
Sumunod-sunod ka eh. Tara, sumama ka.
At papasok pa lang kami, ito na agad ang sinabi ng Ghost Stalker.
Do you feel me?
Oh, bro! Bro!
At biglang tumunog yung Urempan.
Repods went crazy.
Jesus name. Jesus name. Jesus name.
What did it say? Do you know me?
Dude.
Bro.
Because Adam is
Yeah,
telling
Adam
us that you feel something weird.
Yeah, and dude, Adam just came here.
Yeah.
So
And
like,
it says, do you feel me?
Pause muna natin guys sa mga nanonood dyan na mga tropa man natin or hindi na mga nanonood lagi ng video natin guys. Pasubscribe naman dyan guys para madagdagan naman yung subscriber natin. Maraming salamat. Tara tuloy natin to.
I think it's like communicating with Adam.
Yeah, it keeps continuing to. Oh,
Introduce ourselves. So, maybe say your name. What is your first name?
Hello. I'm Adam. Make it.
Oh!
Bro, dude, that was never going off until Adam came.
Yep.
Dude, and this is our
No one's
first
touching
time.
it?
No one's touching it.
Mukhang trip ata to si Adam guys ng multo dito ha or kung anong entity yung nandito parang trip to si Adam yung kakadating lang guys. Na continuous yung music box na tumutunog kanina pa. Simula nang dumating siya guys.
Dude, that's the first time our REM pod went off on this
Yeah.
trip.
Dude. Oh. Is it going the same?
yeah.
Is that one or two?
Are you sure you're on record?
Yeah, my recording.
Dude, the one that is...
Archibald.
Archibald. I've never even heard that word before.
Dude, the one is going on is the one on the
No
door.
way.
On the door. Dude, the red ball! The red ball!
What the fuck?
Dude, what the fuck, guys?
Genius na naman.
This is nuts.
This is...
Dude, so far, every equipment
Genius
went
na
off
naman
except for the
dito.
cameras.
We don't know, bro. It's in the room.
Gana naman tigil.
So, yeah, ikaw. Come on, let's
Continue communicating to them.
Can you please come to the room?
Don't stay there. Go here.
We're in the bedroom. You can come sit.
Sobrang crazy nito, pre.
Can't breathe.
Can't breathe.
Why you can't breathe? Okay lang, pre.
Okay lang ako talaga.
Alright, well, maybe 30 more minutes or something.
Medyo mabigat lang talaga yung ulo ko. Iba yung pakiramdam.
Oh, what the name?
Dude, the red one.
Yeah, I got you.
And all of the sudden, biglang huminto ang lahat ng equipments.
Nothing's standing there. It should be there.
Parang every time nababanggitin ko yung about sa nararamdaman ko, pre. Nag-ano siya.
Nag-react.
Nagre-react siya.
At habang paupo kami, ang tumulog naman na REM pad ay yung nasa loob.
Dude! Oh, wait, no. Maybe we're near it.
I'm sad.
I'm sad.
I'm sad. No, bro, we're not near.
Okay, that's definitely not us. They're here in the room now.
Mm-hmm.
If you're in the room, can you?
Why are you sad? Why are you sad? Bakit ka malungkot? Gusto namin marinig.
What is the meaning of the... if the...
Music box? Definitely may nadedetect siya
Don't provoke us.
Yes, we will not provoke you.
Of course not. We're here to just communicate and learn.
Alam mo ba na 2023 na ngayon? Kung provoke namin kayo, anong mangyayari?
My family is here.
Family is here, bro. That explains it, dude. 4 people. That could be a family for sure.
Mother, father, and the 2 childs.
Bernadette.
Is that your name?
Baka siya yung nagsasalita pre namin may families. Baka anak siya.
Family is here. What's your favorite place here in the house?
18 names, huh? The first one is John.
Jones. Then we have Bernadette. Is Jones part of the family? We were communicating with a spirit named Jones.
Sigh.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for this conversation. We're gonna take a break, but we are here for the night. So,
I've been watching you.
dude, we've been here for like 1 night.
Florence.
Dude, that's my sister's son. Has to be a little Filipino name, right? And dude, I think my night vision IR sensor's turning on and
Yeah.
off.
At dito ay nag-on off yung mga ilaw ng night vision namin.
Look, like, here. Me too. It's just nice. Yeah, me too.
Yours is kind of dim. Oh, that was my mom.
Me too.
Well, thank you so much. So guys, I guess kailangan mo namin mag-take a break from everything kasi baka mamaya nababa trip na namin sila. Alright guys, so at the moment, it's 11:47. Pinag-uusapan namin yung mga pangyayari kanina. Weird, talaga. Kasi, isipin nyo ito guys, tutunog lang to kapag may dumaan dito. Pag may motion sa harap, ayun o. Yan. Pero pag lumayo na ako,
Hindi na masyado.
wala na. Si Slane nandun. Yan. Ito pa. Wait lang, ito pa pre oh. Ito pa guys. So, this one. Iilaw lang to kapag lumapit din ganyan. Pag sobrang lapit, nag-ilaw mo tayo. Right? Ano rin
Sobrang
yun?
lapit lang pala.
Unless may dumikit sa kanyang ganito kalapit. Kanina tumutunog to, di ba? Ito naman guys, ngayon check naman natin yung
Finish yung kanina na tumutunog.
So, imposible nga ang movement talaga dapat. Continue natin yan ng 3 a.m. It's 2:53 a.m. Pare, 3 a.m. na. Pumunta ka dito, sumama ka. Ah. Bro, Steve,
Trabaho ka.
it's already 3 a.m.
What?
Mama ka dyan,
2:54.
magtrabaho ka daw.
Slim, stress na. 3 a.m. na. So guys, at the moment, 3 a.m. Continue na namin yung investigation. Let's see what's in here. Grabe, naninibago ako sa panibagong series na to. Paranormal series.
Kaya inayos na namin yung mga gagamitin namin. At this time, dito kami sa sala. Dahil kung maaalala nyo, dito yung pinaka-active na lugar.
We're all back. We're the same people that you were communicating with last time.
May kasama ba kami dito?
Pala talaga sila guys. Kahit yung ilaw pala talaga nila guys, naka-blackout pala talaga. Yung bali yung mga equipment lang nila yung umiilaw. Pag hindi naka-night vision yung camera nila, di pala talaga sila makita guys. Tara,
Oh my
tuloy
god.
natin.
Can we keep talking?
Can we keep Bro. Yes. Yeah, dude.
Yes, we can keep talking. Pwede na tayo ulit mag-usap. Ilan kayong nandito? Kayo pa rin ba yung kausap namin kanina?
At sa mga oras na to, nararamdaman ko ang parang mabigat sa ulo ko.
What's wrong?
It's like, my head is getting bigger. It's feeling numb right here. How did you die? Dude, your camera just turned off.
Biglang namatay yung camera ni Steve.
Can you sit beside me?
Camera
I'm
yung
gonna give you a
namatay.
sit.
Heavy.
Bro, you were just explaining like your head feels like it's getting bigger, right?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
getting heavier.
Yes, my head feels heavy.
Are you giving this feeling to Zark?
Lucille.
Seal, another name.
Na-appreciate namin yung pagbigay mo namang pangalan. Pero gusto namin malaman paano ka namatay and kung paano ka namin tutulungan.
Kill.
Oh. How did you die? They were killed.
Namatay daw siya.
Definitely feels more quiet than the last
I died.
session.
Yes.
I died.
Oh my god, look. Someone's beside.
Parang yung mga sagot talaga guys, palaging accurate sa mga tinatanong. Nagtanong sila kung paano mamatay, kung paano siya namatay, nagtanong sila. Yung sagot, killed daw, pinatay daw, tapos I died. Parang palaging accurate guys yung sagot ng kung ano man yung gamit nilang kung ghost tube ba yan or ano guys, tara.
Beside me, bro.
Oh,
Tapusin
dang.
na natin ito.
You tried to put mine there too.
Jones.
Jones, are you back here with us?
At kung maaalala nyo, yun din yung pangalan na binigay kanina. At maya-maya lang,
Dude, what the hell?
pagtapos nito, Jurempad naman.
Someone's probably besides me.
Oh,
May katabi
bro,
ako.
that's not me. That's not me.
It's not me.
Oh shit. I think it's Jones, bro.
Yeah. Jones, are you the one besides me? Ring the music box, please. If you're the one that is beside me.
Inspire.
At dito sa part na to, meron nakikita si Steve na parang orb.
Actually, I see something. Do you see that? Like through the room? It's like this white thing. It's a little. I don't know what that is.
This scene is uncut at magugulat kayo sa sasabihin ng ghost talker.
C.
See. Bro. It just says see.
Yeah, we see
As
you.
we're seeing the orb.
Yeah, we see you. I see you. We see you.
At maya-maya lang nag-i-explain si Adam ng biglang
I can say
Sit and talk.
Sit and talk. Oh man. You still want to communicate with us?
Yeah.
Hear us whisper.
Yes, whisper.
I think it wants
Alright.
to hear us. I think they want for us to hear them. Oh shit, your camera.
The camera?
It just turned off, bro.
Yeah. It's turn on. It's
You just said, dude, as I'm just saying, yeah, dude, I just said turn off
Napatay na lang
everything
ng
and your
pusa
camera
yung
just
mga
turned
camera
off.
nila.
Dude, it's impossible. It's full charge, bro. I changed the batteries. Guys, imposible yun.
At nung tingnan ko yung camera ko, laking gulat ko nang hindi naman siya lobat pero namatay.
Look. Oh my god.
How?
What? Is
God.
battery?
No.
It's impossible, but because it still have batteries,
Still
bro.
have battery?
SD card is like 30 minutes more.
Let me see this.
It's 8%.
Guys.
Cause dude,
So this is nuts. Zark's camera just turned off, and we were thinking the batteries ran out, but no. The power. It still says it has power. 7%
No,
left.
it's not.
No, it's not. Just no, it's not. Bro, I just said we thought the camera was dead because of the battery, and now it just told us no, it's
You
not.
know it's not.
So I'm thinking they turned it off. Did you turn this off? Did you turn Zark's camera off? Dude, even it says 35 minutes left, 6%. There's no way it could just turn off by itself. I know you told us to sit and listen, and you want us to hear your whispers. So we're gonna have to turn off this app.
any last words?
Any last words before we do this?
Meron ka bang uling sasabihin?
Done. Done. Done.
Done.
Okay. So
Tapos na daw.
yeah, we're gonna be done using this. We're gonna turn it off. We're gonna sit and try to listen to your whispers. Feel free to whisper to any of our ears.
Kaya pumikit na kami para makapag-focus at maya-maya lang may narinig na agad si Steve. Hindi ko to narinig pero sa pangalawang pagkakataon ito na.
You hear that scream? I heard something. You hear that scream? I heard something. You hear that scream? I heard something.
After this communication, nagdasal kami. Hindi lang para sa amin kundi para rin sa mga espiritong nagparamdam sa amin. Kasi hindi natin alam kung ba't andito pa sila. Pero panigurado, meron silang hindi pa matanggap kaya patuloy pa rin sila nagmumulto hanggang ngayon. Gaano man katindi ang mga nangyari dito noong unang panahon, paniguradong lahat ng ito may rason. Ang oras ay hindi na natin maibabalik pa, pero pwede natin silang ipagdasal para sila ay makalaya na. Welcome to our investigation series. Always stay safe and always remember, be limitless.
Based guys sa mga sinabi dun sa intro kanina na maraming trahedya yung naganap kaya di naman imposible siguro na may mga ano talaga dyan, may mga multo dyan na hindi pa matahimik hanggang ngayon guys. Kaya continuous na nagpaparamdam sila sa mga tao na nag-ano dyan, nagbubuk dyan or mga staff dyan. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat sa mga nakinood dyan. Patuloy lang tayo guys, sabi nga sa video, be limitless. And pakisupport naman tayo guys, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Maraming salamat mga boss. See you sa susunod na video mga boss. Let's go!